Welcome to this presentation on low-power dual dynamic node pulse hybrid flip-flop featuring Xcient embedded logic. This research was conducted by Kalarikal Apsil et al. And published in 21st September 2012. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Modern VLSI designs face increasing challenges from high power dissipation and pipeline overhead in flip-flops. Existing solutions like the cross charge control flip-flop or XCFF suffer from redundant power dissipation, large hold time requirements, and inefficient logic embedding due to charge sharing. This work introduces the dual dynamic node hybrid flip-flop or DDFF and its embedded logic module DDFF-ELM to address these issues. The theoretical contribution is a split dynamic node structure that separately drives output pull-up and pull-down transistors, relaxing the assumption that a single precharge node can efficiently handle both without significant capacitance and power loss. All designs were simulated using 90 nanometer UMC process technology models at a nominal supply voltage of 1.2 volts. Performance metrics included power, DQ delay, power delay product, and layout area, evaluated across various data activities and process voltage temperature conditions. The evaluation compared DDFF and DDFF-ELM against 6 existing designs: the semi-dynamic flip-flop SDFF, hybrid latch flip-flop HLFF, PowerPC 603, conditional data mapping flip-flop CDMFF, and cross-charge control flip-flop XCFF. Monte Carlo simulations with 1000 points were conducted to assess process variation tolerance, with setup time margins of 20 picoseconds for PowerPC 603 and 6 picoseconds for other pulsed flip-flops. The DDFF achieves the lowest power delay product among the compared designs, demonstrating a 29% reduction in total power dissipation compared to the semi-dynamic flip-flop and a 7% reduction compared to the cross-charge control flip-flop as detailed in Table 1. This power efficiency is largely driven by the split dynamic node structure and unconditional shutoff mechanism, which mitigate redundant power dissipation. Furthermore, the DDFF exhibits the smallest layout area at 147.73 square micrometers and utilizes the fewest transistors, just 18, making it the most compact solution in this comparison. The DDFF-ELM demonstrates significant power savings for embedded logic, achieving a 26% power reduction compared to the semi-dynamic flip-flop when implementing AND OR functions, as shown in Table 1b. This improvement stems from the revised clocking scheme that prevents charge sharing, a key ablation driving the headline lift. For a 4-bit Johnson up-down counter, the DDFF-ELM further reduces CLK driving power by 33% and total power by 27% compared to the SDFF-based counter, as presented in Table VI. Additionally, the DDFF-ELM offers delay reductions of 15% for embedded AND logic and 22% for embedded OR logic compared to discrete logic implementations. The DDFF and DDFF-ELM consistently outperform the strongest prior baseline, XCFF, and the second strongest, SDFF, in terms of power efficiency and area, particularly for embedded logic applications. The key theoretical contribution of the split dynamic node and charge sharing free clocking scheme proves effective in reducing power dissipation and pipeline overhead. However, Monte Carlo simulations reveal that DDFF exhibits the largest variation in DQ delay, and both DDF and DDF-LM show larger power delay product variations compared to the PowerPC 603, as detailed in Table 1I. This higher DQ variation is attributed to the small transparency period used in the design, indicating a potential trade-off for its power benefits.